everyone! So we are going to walk around Pokhara, and we're actually planning to go to the restaurant. So might as well I'll bring my GoPro to film what Pokhara looks like. So we're gonna walk around Pokhara, and yeah, stay tuned. I'm sorry my voice. I have like a cough or like a sore throat because of this. So it's a cloudy day, and it's 21 degrees Celsius. Ah, there's a doggy! Doggy! So I am so glad that our hotel, which is Bar People, or resort, is kind of near. I'm not sure if this is called the Pokhara Center, but there's a lot of things going on here last night. So there's groceries as well, stores, restaurants. So it's kind of Tamil in Kathmandu, but this one is not crowded, right, Avi?
Yeah.
You know what? What's crazy about Nepal is that they don't have traffic rules. It's crazy. It's deadly. I mean, it's dangerous. My gosh. Hello! This doggy is following us. So cute. Look at this dog is cute. Look at his ears, huh? It's also moving. Hey, don't fight in our leggies. Oh my gosh. So yeah, Pokhara is actually the place where you start doing the hiking for Annapurna. So Annapurna is the Himalayas. I'm not sure if it's part of Himalayas, but Annapurna is where also you can see, you know, the Himalayas, the mountains with snow. It's nice. And the Annapurna trekking would take, yeah, say 10 days, 15 days as well. So it's kind of tiring. It's long.
I think you need specialized equipment.
Yeah, you need to have yeah.
Roll pedal.
You need to have what do you call it, Lovey? Like a ride equipment to climb those mountains. Because it's not just a basic mountain. Where is the dog?
One.
Yeah, so Pokhara, to be honest, is nicer than Kathmandu. It's less polluted, less crowded. My gosh.
The airport's bigger and more modern.
Yeah, the airport is it's just a new airport, and it's 2 years old, right?
Yeah.
And then it's a big airport. It's also international. So I'm also going to show you the lake, because we're going on there is like a center there where you can see the lake. It's like an open or outdoor center. It reminds me of Seychelles. The dog is still following us. Oh my gosh. Like if I live here in Nepal, I would adopt this dog. So there's shopping center, as you can see in front of me. This is the shopping store that I shopped last night for, you know, basic necessities like shampoo, conditioner, and so on. Bye, doggy.
So Google says it's closed, but
Let's try.
it's actually on the other side of the road.
Yeah, I am surprised that, you know, they also have like lots of shopping centers. I mean, not shopping centers, but they also have lots of this type of store, which is, you know, is giving me Philippines vibe as well, because we have that in the Philippines. Why they have earrings 100? Oh my gosh. 100 Nepali. Oh, look at that dress, so nice. 100 Nepali is, I think it's below 100 pesos, if I am not mistaken. And they have salons.
So it should be like right. Looks like it's still.
Where? Oh my god. So we're trying to find a restaurant. It's a Vietnamese restaurant, and this is it. It's literally permanently closed. My gosh.
For a 90.
Yeah, so this is it.
Yeah, I would say that's
it's
closed.
aside. It's permanently closed. It's not just closed.
Want to try some Korean food?
Wow, is it like a Himalaya? Hey, it's a tip of a Himalaya, mano. I don't know, I just want rice actually. So we can go anywhere. Korean restaurant, okay. So we're gonna eat now, guys. See you later. So this is the Phewa Lake. So we have a kuya vlogger here. Oh, back. Kuya, i-push mo yun talaga. Sige, laksan mo pa ang voice mo. Sabi ko sa'yo. Okay. So yeah, again, it's kind of cloudy and it's cold. Man, this lake is really nice, but they said that there were some crocodiles out there, I guess. But I hope that, you know, like these dogs with little kids are safe. Especially that dog right there. Can you see? What is this? Wow. I think the lake would look better if it's sunny. But oh well, it's fine. Fine, there are doggies. So this is a temple. What is the name again, Robin? It's Mana Temple. I'm not sure if it's open for public, but I think, or I mean for tourists, but I think anyone can go in here because, you know, like it's a praying temple, if I'm not mistaken, but correct me if I'm wrong. So yeah, this is so nice. So yeah, we're just walking around and it's a good day with some sun and it's not really that super cold. Yeah, it's a nice temple. So we're heading home now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and social media below. Once again, this is Sess, reminding you to stay golden.